Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to clean the bottom of the pool from dirt and small debris. The method is very effective, there will be no additional costs and you will be 100% satisfied with the result. If you have a frame pool but do not have a filter, skimmer, pool vacuum cleaner and everything else necessary, then over time plaque and debris will appear on the bottom and walls of the pool. I am not talking about large debris, like leaves, but about small particles that rise when you start swimming in the pool and they make the water cloudy. So it's very easy to clean everything without special equipment, and now I will show you how. We will need a garden hose, I put a plastic bottle on one end, it is advisable to take a flat one, and I wrapped the connection point with tape. The bottle needs to be cut, slightly crushed on the sides to get something similar to a vacuum cleaner attachment. This is the homemade pool vacuum cleaner you get. Now the hose needs to be completely filled with water. You can connect it to the tap and do as I do, or you can completely immerse it in the pool so that it fills with water. But in this case, some of the debris from the bottom of the pool rises, the water becomes cloudy again, so I don't like this method. Plug the end of the hose without the nozzle with your finger. The day before the cleaning, I ran around in a circle. As you can see, some dirt collected in the center, but clearly not all. But try doing this, maybe all the dirt will collect in the center. Now we lower the end of the hose with the bottle into the pool and place the other end outside the pool. That's it, our homemade pool vacuum cleaner starts working. Move it slowly along the bottom of the pool and the walls, and it will suck in all the debris and dirt. If your pool is deep, you need to assemble the vacuum cleaner a little differently. Take a pipe of a suitable diameter or a telescopic rod, put a bottle on one end and tape it. Put a hose on the other end. I cleaned the bottom closer to the sides of the pool, and in order to vacuum the middle and not have to reach anywhere, it is best to get into the pool. This is how easy it is to clean the bottom of the pool with a vacuum cleaner, only one of your own making. As you can see, everything is very fast and absolutely free, because you do not need to buy special gadgets. Then, if you wish, use pool chemicals and you can swim in clean, clear water again. If you liked this advice, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, see you in other videos.